guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am Ysay and I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So for today's video, we are here exploring the beauty of Montreal Botanical Garden.
Kendrick, what's that, Kendrick? What's that?
The Montreal Botanical Garden is a large botanical garden in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, comprising 75 hectares of thematic gardens and greenhouses. It was designated a National Historic Site of Canada in 2008 as it is considered to be one of the most important botanical gardens in the world due to the extent of its collections and facilities. The Botanical Garden opened June 9, 1931. It is located in 4101 Rue Sherbrooke East, Montreal, Quebec. It covers 75 hectares of 22,000 numbers of species of plants. It contains a greenhouse complex full of plants from around the world and a number of large outdoor gardens, each with a specific theme. The outdoor gardens are bare and covered with snow from about November until about April, but the greenhouses are open to visitors year-round, hosting the annual Butterflies Go Free exhibit from February to April. The garden was founded in 1931 in the height of the Great Depression by Mayor Camillien Hode. After years of campaigning by Brother Marie-Victorin, the grounds were designed by Henry Toucher, while the Art Deco-style administration building was designed by architect Lucien F. Kerouac. I don't know if that's how it is pronounced. So it serves to educate the public in general and students of horticulture in particular, as well as to conserve endangered plant species. The grounds are also home to Botanical Research Institution, and the garden staff also administer the Ferme Angrinon Educational Farm and Petting Zoo. While it charges admission, city residents can obtain a pass granting free admission to the outdoor gardens. So many people visit regularly, even if only to sit under the trees. The nearest metro station is Pi 1X, which is located in the corner of the Olympic Stadium. The Montreal Botanical Garden is one of 4 nature-focused attractions belonging to the City of Montreal in the Space for Life Museum District. The others are the Biodome, the Insectarium, and the Rio Tinto Alcan Planetarium, all of which are near the Olympic Stadium. So guys, enjoy the beautiful thematic Montreal Botanical Garden, and this is a recommended place. If you come visit Montreal, you must stop and see this place. And wait, you guys, we are so surprised. This is what we came for, the heart of graffiti. When you watch Moana movie, this is the real deal. Rain or shine, guys, whatever. Even though we are wet, we are just enjoying taking pictures of this beautiful sight. This is a must-see place here in Montreal. This is all, guys, for our video today. I hope you enjoyed watching and traveling with me, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my next travel videos. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care and keep safe.